Hello boys and girls, welcome to today's math class. We are following the Concise Mathematics textbook by Selina Publishers, and this is the revised edition November 2021. Today we are doing fractions, exercise 7b. Theme 1, number system, fractions. Okay, so this is found on page number 72 and question 5. Arrange the given fractions in descending order of magnitude. So we have three fractions here, 5 by 16, 13 by 24, and 7 by 8. We have to find the LCM of the denominators to make them all like fractions. Right now, as you can see, they're all unlike fractions because the denominators are different. So we're going to find the LCM of the denominators 16, 24, and 8. Let's start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 12s are 24, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. We continue with 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 2 again, 2 1s are 2. We bring down 3, 1. Now we go on to 3. 1. 3 1s are 3, 1. Now let's find the LCM. There are 4 2's there, as you can see. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So let's see. 2 2's are 4, 4 2's are 8, 8 2's are 16. 16 into 3. So 16 3's are 48. So the LCM is 48, and we are going to use this LCM to find the new numerators. This LCM is going to be the denominator. So let me write down the questions again. 5 by 16, 13 by 24, and 7 by 8. Now all the denominators have become 48. This is the LCM that we are using here. Now 16 has become 48. 16 has become 48. 24 has become 48. And 8 has become 48. Now we need to see how we got that. How did we change these denominators to 48? What do we need to multiply that with? So 16 into 3 will give you 48. So multiply the numerator also by 3. 5 3's are 15. We'll go on to the second fraction. 24 into what is 48? 24 twos. So 13 twos are 26. Going on to the third fraction. 8 into what is 48? 8 sixes are 48. So let's multiply 7 also by 6. 7 sixes are 42. Okay, so now we have got three fractions here, and as you can see, the denominators are all the same, so they are like fractions. Now we can look at the numerators and arrange these fractions in descending order. So the biggest numerator is 42. So we write 42 by 48 first. Okay, so that's the greatest fraction here, which is 7 by 8. So let's write down 7 by 8 is greater than. Okay, let's look at the next two fractions. The numerators are 15 and 26. The greater one is 26. That means 13 by 24. 13 by 24 is greater than the last fraction, which is 5 by 16. 5 by 16. So we've got our fractions. We have arranged them in descending order. Question 2. Let's find the LCM of the denominators first. 5, 15, 20, and 4. We'll start with 2. So 5, then I'm leaving 15 here. 2 tens are 20, 2 twos are 4. I'll continue with 2. I bring down 5, 15, 2 fives are 10, 2 ones are 2. Now I can use 5. 1, 5 threes are 15, 1 and 1. So now I will use 3, 1, 1, 1 and 1. So let's find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 5 into 3. Okay, so let's do this. 2 twos are 4, 4 fives are 20. So 20 into 3. 20 into 3 is 60. So our LCM is 60. So let's use this LCM to find the new numerators and to arrange the fractions in descending order. Okay, so let's go on. I'll write down the question again. 4 by 5, 7 by 15, 11 by 20, and 3 by 4. And now the new denominators for all these fractions are going to be 60. Let's find the new numerators now. 5 into what will give us 60? 12 fives are 60. So we multiply 4 also by 12. 12 fours are 48. Second fraction, 15 into what will give us 60? 15 fours are 60. So I'm going to multiply 7 by 4. 7 fours are 28. Next one, 20 into 3 is 60. So 11 into 3 is 33. 4 into 15 is 60. So 3 into 15. 15 threes are 45. So we have our fractions here. Now we're going to arrange them in descending order. Now look out for the biggest numerator. 48 by 60 is the biggest numerator. So this fraction will come first. 4 by 5 is greater than. Now look at the other three numerators. The greatest is 45. So this will come second. 3 by 4 is greater than 28 and 33, which is the greater number? 33. So this is the third one. So this will come next. 11 by 20. And the last one is 7 by 15. So we have arranged our fractions in descending order. Okay, let's go to the next one. Third one, find the LCM of the denominators. 7, 8 and 11. Okay, I'll start with 2, 7, 2 fours are 8, I bring down 11, I bring down 7, 2 twos are 4 and I bring down 11 there. Again I continue with 2, 7, 1 and 11. I move to 7, 1, 1 and 11. And then 11 is 1, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 11. Okay, so let's multiply. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 sevens are 56. 56 into 11. So let's multiply 56 into 11. 56 into 11. 6 ones are 6, 5 ones are 5. Same way, 1 6 are 6 and 1 5s are 5. 6, 5 plus 6 is 11 and then 5 plus 1 is 6. So I've got 616. As you can see, it's a big number, and to find the numerators with this as the denominator will be a little difficult. So there's another thing that we can do. When you get a number like this, children, you can find the LCM of the numerators. So shall we try to find the LCM of the numerators and see if you're getting a smaller number than this. This was 616. We'll find the LCM of the numerators. Let's see if we can get a smaller number. So let's find the LCM of 5, 3 and 9. So we'll use 3 here. I bring down 5. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 again. 5, 1 and 1. Then I go on to 5, 1 and 1 and 1. So let's find the LCM. 3 into 3 into 5. So we have 3 threes are 9. 9 into 5 is 45. So the LCM is 45, which is a much smaller number, isn't it? So let's use this LCM and arrange our fractions in descending order. So this time you must remember 45 is your numerator. So let me write down the fractions first. 5 by 7, 3 by 8 and 9 by 11. So the numerators will all change to 45. All numerators are like. Now they've all become like. They are all going to become like fractions because denominators are the same. So now go to the numerator and check. 5 into what is 45? 5 nines are 45. So multiply 7 also by 9. 7 nines are 56. Let's go to the second fraction. 3 into what will give us 45? 3 into 15. So multiply 8 also by 15. Okay, if you multiply 8 by 15, you get 120. Let's go to the last one. 9 fives are 45. So multiply 11 also by 5. 11 fives are 55. So now we have like fractions. This time the numerators are the same. Now you need to be careful. When numerators are the same, the smallest denominator will make the greatest fraction. It's the other way around when you check with denominators, okay? So when numerators are the same, the smallest denominator is the greatest, will make the greatest fraction. Okay. So here we have 56, 120 and 55, which is the smallest denominator, 55. So this is the greatest fraction. So 9 by 11 is greater than, now look at the other two fractions. The denominators are 56 and 120. The smallest denominator makes the greatest fraction. So 56 will come second. That means 5 by 7. 5 by 7 is greater than the last one, which is 3 by 8. This was easy, isn't it? With 45 as the numerator. Let's go on to the next one. This time we have to arrange the fractions in ascending order. We're going to arrange it in ascending order. We follow the same method. We're going to find the LCM of the denominators. So we have 16, 12 and 4. Let's start with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4, I bring down 3 and I bring down 1. 2 1s are 2 and I bring down 3 and I bring down 1. Now I use 3, 1, 1 and 1. My LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 into 3 is 48. So what is my LCM? LCM is 48. Now I'm going to use this as my common denominator. So let me start by writing the questions first. 9 by 16 7 by 12 and 1 by 4. Now my denominators are all going to become 48. Okay, now let's check the numerators. We're going to find new numerators now. Okay, so 16 into what is 48? 16 threes are 48. Let me multiply 9 by 3. 9 threes are 27. Next fraction, 12 fours are 48. So 7 fours are 28. Last fraction, 4 into what is 48? 12. 12 fours, we saw it in the previous fraction. So 4 12s are 48. I multiply 1 also by 12. So now I get 1 12s are 12. So I've got 3 fractions which are like fractions now. They all have the same denominator. Let's look for the greatest numerator, 28. So this is the greatest fraction. 7 by 12 is the greatest fraction, but this time we have to arrange it in ascending order. So we look for the smallest one here. We look for the smallest. So the smallest is 12. Smallest is 12. So this comes first. This is the ascending order. We look for the smallest. So 1 by 4 is smaller than, now 27 and 28, which is a smaller one? 27. So 9 by 16. And then the last one, which is 7 by 12. Let's find the LCM of the denominators here. 6, 7, 9 and 3. Starting with 2. 2 3s are 6, 7, 9 and 3. I bring it down. Now I use 3, 1, 7, 3 3s are 9. Bring down 1, 1 and 1. Now I use 7. Okay, let's find the LCM now. LCM equals 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. Okay. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 into 7. Let's multiply 18 into 7. 18 into 7. 7 8s are 56. I carry 5. 7 1s are 7 plus 5, 12. 126. So we're going to use 126 as the denominator. We have 4 fractions. Now my denominator for all these is 126. Okay, now we are going to find the new numerators. 6 into what will give me 126? Now that's a big number, isn't it? So let's find out by short division. 6 into what will give me 126? Let's try. 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. So that is 21. 6 into 21 will give me 126. So 5 into 21. Let's multiply 21 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So my new numerator is 105. Let's go on to the second one. 7 into what will give me 126? Let me try doing it. 126 divided by 7. 7 1s are 7 and there is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 5. 56. 7 8s are 56. So 7 into 18. That means I have to multiply 2 by 18. 18 twos are 36. So we've got that, 36. Now let's go on to the third one. 9 into what will give me 126? Let's try dividing 126 by 9. 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 12, that's 3 remaining. I have 36. 9 fours are 36. So 9 into 14, so 8 into 14. So 14 into 8, let's see. 8 fours are 32, carry 3, 8 ones are 8, 9, 10, 11, 112. So I've got my third numerator. Let's move on to the fourth one. So I have 3 into what will give me 126. Let's divide 126 by 3. 3 fours are 12, 3 twos are 6. So 3 into 42. So 1 into 42 is 42. So now I have like fractions. Let me look for the smallest numerator. 36 is the smallest. So my smallest fraction is 2 by 7. 2 by 7 is smaller than, now which is the next smallest number? 42 is smaller than 1 by 3. This is smaller than, the next smallest fraction is this. That is 5 by 6. And the last one is 2 by 7. 8 by 9. I'm sorry, the last one is 8 by 9. So we've arranged our numbers, our fractions in ascending order. Third one. Denominators, we're going to find the LCM. So let's start with 2. I bring down 3, 9, 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. I continue with 2, 3, 9, 3, 2 2s are 4, 3, 9, 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, LCM. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So let's see. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 into 3 3s are 9. 8 9s are 72. So the LCM is 72. We're going to use this. So let's write down the fractions. 2 by 3, 5 by 9, 5 by 6, and 3 by 8. The denominators have all become 72. Okay, so let's start. Now 3 into what will give us 72? Let's divide and see. 72 divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. I'll carry 1. I have 12. 3 4s are 12. So 24. 3 into 24. So 2 into 24 will give us 48. Next one. 9 8s are 72. So 5 8s are 40. Next fraction. 6 into 12. So 5 into 12. 12 5s are 60. The last fraction. 8 9s are 72. So 3 9s are 27. Okay, now let's look for the smallest number here. 27 is the smallest. So this is the smallest fraction, 3 by 8. 3 by 8 is smaller than, which is the next smallest fraction, 40 by 72, which is 5 by 9. 5 by 9, which is smaller than, in 48 and 60, 48 is the smaller one, which is 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 is smaller than the last fraction, which is 5 by 6. Okay. The next question, insert the symbol equal to or greater than or smaller than between each of the pairs of the fractions given below. So you have a pair of fractions given here and you have to insert one of these symbols there. So let's start. Let's find the LCM. Here also we find the LCM of the denominators 11 and 9. And let's find, we'll start with 3, 11. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Go to 11. 11 ones are 11. Now LCM is 3 into 3 into 11, which is 3 threes are 9 into 11. 9 elevens are 99. So the LCM is 99. Let's use this LCM here. We write down the questions, 6 by 11 and 5 by 9. They both have the denominator 99 now. Okay, right. Now 11 nines are 99. So 6 nines will be 54. 9 elevens are 99. So 5 elevens are 55. So let's look at both the numerators now. The greater one is 55. So let's put the symbol like this. So the symbol comes here, 55 is greater. So let's fill in a blank in the question, that is greater. Okay, so 5 by 9 is greater than 6 by 11. Question 2. Let's find the LCM of the denominators, 7 and 13. 7 ones are 7, 13. 13 ones are 13. So LCM is 7 into 13. 13 sevens are 91. So we're going to use 91 as a common denominator. So let me write down the fractions, 3 by 7 and 9 by 13. And the denominator is 91. 91. Okay, now 7 into 13 is 91. So 3 into 13 is 39. Next one, 13 into 7 is 91. So 9 sevens are 63. So we have like fractions now. Look at the numerators. The greater numerator is 63. So this is the greater fraction. So we write 9 by 13 as the greater fraction. And the numerator, if you can see, 63 is greater. So 9 by 13 is the greater fraction. Last one, 64 and 8 are the denominators. Let's find the LCM. 2. 2 threes are 6, 32. 2 fours are 8. 2 into 16 is 32. 2 twos are 4. 2 eights are 16. 2 ones are 2. 2 fours are 8. 1. 2 twos are 4. Bring down 1. 2 ones are 2. So let's find the LCM. Let's see how many 2's we have there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let's multiply. 6 twos. Okay, now let's multiply. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 16 twos are 32, 13 twos are 16 twos are 32, 32 twos are 64. So the LCM is 64. We're going to use that here. Let me write down the fractions. 56 by 64 and 7 by 8. My denominators have now become 64. So let me write that down. 64. 64 into 1. So 56 into 1. 56 ones are 56. 8 eights are 64. So 7 eights. 7 eights are 56. Now, can you see, children, both the denominators are the same. So, they are equal to each other. So, this is equal, and finally we write equal here. Fourth one, let's find the LCM of the denominators, 12 and 33. Starting with 2. 2 sixes are 12. I bring down 33. 2 threes are 6. Now I use 3. 1, 3, 11s are 33. I can use 11 now. Now let's find the LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. 2 twos are 4, 4 threes are 12. 12 into 11. So let's multiply that. 2 ones are 2, 1 ones are 1, 1 twos are 2, 1 ones are 1. So let's add that up. We get 132. So LCM is 132. Let's use that as the common denominator. So the question is 5 by 12 and 8 by 33. The common denominator is going to be 132. So let's get the new numerators. 12 into 11. We just saw that, isn't it? 12 into 11. So 5 into 11 is 55. Now 33 into what will give you 132? Let's multiply and see. 33, let's multiply it by 4. 4 threes are 12, carry 1. 4 threes are 12 plus 1, 13. We've got 132. So 33 into 4. So 8 fours are 32. So we've got like fractions and the numerators also. The greater one is 55 by 132. So this is the greater one, and let's fill in the greater one there. So with that we come to the end of exercise 7b. The next video is on exercise 7c. Thank you.